Seems like Mommy started that video a little late. Can Dad have the spoon? You're gonna do it good, right? Ben! Ready? Do it good. Alright. Let Daddy have the spoon.
Miss you.
Miss you. Do it good.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Ben, do it good.
Oops.
Not that good. It's a little more on the spoon. Can you eat the rest? Yummy. Alright.
Ow. Ow. Bah.
Alright, do it good. Slow. No. In your mouth. Did you get all the peas off yet?
How do you zoom in?
The zoom.
What is that?
Right by your finger. Goes left and right. It's a little silver thing. Silver knob, kinda. Spoon. You want more peas? Alright. Now put it in your mouth. No. In your mouth. Ah. You want to clean your face? Let's clean the spoon. Clean your face.
Now, can you clean the tray?
This is all gross.
Can you clean?
Clean the tray. Yeah, I wouldn't clean with that either.
Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Watch the fork.